Everyone. I just want to share something with you guys. It's just a project I was working on. Nothing really fancy, but just an idea I wanted to share. I had a few cards that I did not like how they turned out. So instead of throwing the cards out, I chose to make tags with them, at least the portion that was good. So as you can see, I have them lined up here, the tags that I made. I used my decorative scissors. I used pearlized drops. Of course, I have my stamp, which I use on my cards, that just to give you an idea right here with my number and email. I used the paper puncher, of course, for the holes. And the whole idea is I am going to attach those with a coupon code at the back once I have generated those codes with I guess a date or expiry date, what have you. I'm going to attach it at the back of those cards and I will send them out with any orders. So in that way, it's just a nice little accent for the orders, and of course serves as a coupon code as well. So if you have any ideas on how you may have utilized cards that did not exactly work out how you liked, I would be happy for you to share that with us. So thank you so much for just giving me a listening ear and taking a look. And do have a wonderful rest of your evening and stay safe. Bye bye.